The bar graph given below shows the marks obtained in different subjects by Arjun and Rajiv. Fine, so there's a fluorescent yellowish line and a blue line. Arjun has the yellowish fluorescent line. Rajiv's scores are the blue line. Fine. So now let's go to each question. The maximum mark is 100. So just to get a flavor for this, each of these units is 10 marks. So this number is 75. This number is 85. This is 95. So we see that all of our numbers are either on the lines or smack in between. So our scores are likely to be 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 along these lines. Let's go to the question. The range of Rajiv's marks. Rajiv's marks, the range, what should this be? That is highest minus lowest. Rajiv is blue. Highest is here in mathematics. That is 95. Smallest, this is 85, 95, 90, 80. 80 is smaller. So far, this is the lowest. So again is 85. The lowest is 80. 95 minus 80 is 15. Highest minus lowest equals range.